Hi class, here we are on Monday and we're on lesson 134 in math today. Hey, I want to know, Bob thinks you are. Are you? Are you a math whiz today? He wants to remind you that you've got everything you need right up there in your brain. We just need to use it. So grab a hold of your speed drill for the day. We're on the starfish today. It is all subtracting. Remember, we have a couple. Let's see. Yep, there's one with a 9. 13 minus 9. Do you remember our trick for the 9s? Add 1 plus 3. That gives you the answer. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Make sure. Oh, there's another one with a 9. Be careful on these Speedy Sams at the bottom. They're all subtracting. I know you do your best. Remember, Mommy's not going to time you. It's more important that you get it done and not rush through it and get a bunch of wrong answers. Mrs. Kraft wants to see a bunch of right answers. So do your very best, okay? Don't forget, we're on speed drill with a starfish on it today, okay? Now, just to keep moving so we don't get lost, we're going to do a quick practice. I haven't practiced our measurements in a long time. So do you think we can refresh our mind, keep sharp today on these measurements? Are you ready? Let's see if Hunter can help us. Hunter, 1 pint equals, that's right, 2 cups. Roman, 1 quart equals 2 pints. He got that one. Okay, big one, Madison. 1 kilogram, remember that's a wild rabbit, equals about how many grams? How many grasshoppers? Do you remember? It's a big number. It was big, 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 big. 1,000. Nice job. Okay, Caleb. Oh, Caleb. I hope you don't forget this. 1 year, not leap year, but 1 regular year, Caleb, has how many days? Yeah, Bob says, I think he knows it. That's right. And the answer is 365. Nice job. Okay, here we go. Calvin, what is the normal body temperature? That is correct. 96.8. Whoop, 96.8, Mrs. Kraft. 98.6. Woo, that would not be a good thing. 98.6. I'm reading backwards on the screen. Okay, let's go to Benjamin. Benjamin, what is the freezing point of water? He says you know it. Bob has faith in you, and I do too, that you're a math whiz. What is it? What is it, Ben? 32 degrees. That's when water freezes. I don't want us to get down in 30s, but ooh, last week we had some cold weather. Okay, here we go, Kellen. 1 dozen equals how many things? How many eggs are in a dozen? Nana has that. That's right. 12. Good job. Okay, Brady. 1 day equals how many? Hey, quit answering before I even get done reading, Brady. You are so smart. 1 day equals how many hours? That's right. He said 24. Nice job. Okay, let's go to Kendall. Kendall, it's been a while since we did this one. Are you ready? 1 year equals about how many weeks? Bob's voting for you. Bob's voting for you. And the answer is yes, 52 weeks. About 52 weeks. Okay, here we go. Ella, 1 yard equals how many inches? How many inches, Ella? Yes! Bob's clapping for you. That's right. He heard you say 36. Nice job. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Lucas, 1 week equals how many days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's right, all the way to Saturday. How many days, Lucas? Bob's cheering in the background. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And he said the answer is 7. Nice job. Okay, here we go. Gwen, are you ready? Gwen, 1 year equals how many months? How many months in a year, Gwen? Oh, don't be shy. Don't whisper it. Say it with a smile. January, February. How many? Correctamundo. 12. Nice job. Okay. Adeline. Ooh, what is the boiling point of water? Mommy's going to boil some water and drop some potatoes in for supper. What is... Yes, stay away from boiling water, Adeline says. It's very, very hot. Adeline, what is it? Your math whiz today. I can see it. That's right, 212 degrees. Woo, that's very hot. Okay, Abel. 1 hour equals how many minutes? How many minutes are in an hour? Count by fives. And Abel says the answer is 60. Nice job. And Layla. 1 foot, that ruler that's in your desk, now it's at your house. equals how many inches? 1 foot equals, she's just rolling her eyes like Mrs. Kraft, that is too easy. It is 12. Nice job. Let's see if you're wearing blue today. Blue. 1 minute equals how many seconds? That's right. Ding, 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 ding. 60. If you're wearing green. 1 leap year. Oh, that's what we're in right now. We're in a leap year. How many days are in a leap year? Did I hear you say that, boys or girls? Who said that first? The green people. And the answer is 366. Good job. This is for anybody who misses school. 1 gallon equals how many quarts? That's correct. 4 is the answer. And this is for anybody who doesn't miss school. Okay, let's see how smart you are. You need school to keep smart. Yep, Bob says so. He agrees. 1 yard equals how many feet? How many rulers fit on a yardstick? What? Who said 5? 5 is not right. The answer is 3. Good job. And 2 more. You ready? 1 pound equals how many ounces? The guinea pig and the mouse. 1 pound equals, yeah, there's little mice. That's correct. 16 ounces. And the last one. 1 meter equals how many centimeters? 1 meter equals how many? Everybody shout it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is 100. Nice job. Very good, boys and girls. You did not forget those at all, and I am super proud of you. Okay, now today, is that mind of yours working? I want to give you a Speedy Sam. Are you ready? Do you think that you can answer it? Okay. Remember, Speedy Sams, you aren't going to see them. You just have to work them in your brain. Here's the first one. Okay, are you ready? Okay. 2 times 6 was a multiplication. 2 times 6, got that? Minus 9 equals 2 times 6 minus 9 equals, and the answer is, shout it. If you said 3, you are right. 3 is correct. Okay, here we go. It's going bigger. 30 divided by 10. Now remember, think backwards. 10 times something that equals 30. 30 divided by 10, or 10 times something that equals 30. You got that in your mind? 30 divided by 10 plus 7 equals. I heard that. If you said 10, you are correct. Nice job. Do you want to go for another big one? I think you can. Remember, if mommy needs to pause, if we're going too fast, pause and think, and then that way you can get the answer before I give it, okay? Okay. 10 times 2, 10 times 2, got it in your brain? Plus 2 equals. 10 times 2 plus 2 equals. Shout it out. Correct. 22. Last one. Okay, are you ready? 15 divided by 5. Ooh, think. 5 times something that equals 15. Count by 5s. Figure out what that is. 15 divided by 5, or 5 times something that equals 15. Got that number in your brain? Hit the pause if you're working on it still. Times 2 equals 15 divided by 5 times 2 equals, hey, I heard that answer, and the answer is 6. Very nice. Nicely done, boys and girls. Did you just realize how many adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing? Because Bob says you are a math whiz, and I agree today. Nice job. I want you to find your math paper. It looks like this today. Okay? Find your math paper and a pencil. We're going to do a little bit together, but then you're going to finish the front by yourself, and then we'll do the whole back together. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Number 1, it says, circle the coins and bills needed for each amount. Now, they gave you way extra, so you need to count carefully. I know it's hard to see on this screen, but I want you to look on your paper because it's right in front of you. We have a $5 bill, a $5 bill, a $10 bill, a 1, and a 1, and a 1. Let's figure out our dollars first. Remember, we always start with our dollars first. It says we need $8. Adeline, what am I going to circle for $8? What am I going to circle? You want a boy to help you too? You want to phone a friend? Ben, she called on you. So Ben, you and Adeline, what am I going to circle for $8? Okay, that's right. Go ahead and tell us. That's right. We're going to circle a $5 bill and 3 $1 bills. Let me get my marker and I'm going to do it and you do it along. See if you've got the right answer. Okay. Did you do that? I hope so, because that's correct. Now we need to figure out the change. The change is 43 cents. Let's do a quick review. Okay. What is a quarter worth? What's a quarter worth, Gwen? 25 cents. Good job. Lucas, what's a dime worth? 10 cents. And Ella, what's a nickel worth? Yep, 5. Sorry, Mrs. Kraft has a marker. 5. Okay. And of course, we all know a penny is worth, 1 cent. So we need to find 43 cents with the fewest coins, starting with our biggest one first. Okay. Let's see. Hunter and Madison. Let's see if you can do this. Okay. Are you ready? Let's see. How many quarters are we going to need? Let's count quarters. We have, there's 4 quarters. Do we need all 4 of those quarters? Let's count. 25, 50, 75, $1. Oh, no, we don't. How many quarters do we need? 1 quarter. Good job. So 25 dimes are worth 10, 35, 45. Oh, 45 is too high. So let's go 25, 35, 1 quarter, 1 dime. What's going to be next? Kellen, can you and Lucas tell me what's going to be next? Am I going for a nickel or am I going for pennies? Who said nickel? Good job. So 25, 35, 40, and I need 43 cents. So Layla, how many pennies do I need? 1, 2, 3, 43. That's right. See if your circle looks like Mrs. Kraft's. Okay, let's count it out. 25, 35, 40. Oh, I made a mistake. Did you make a mistake? I hope you didn't. Mrs. Kraft did. My paper slid over. Let's make sure we have all 3 of those pennies. All 3 of those pennies. So let's count it again. You ready? 25, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. Nice job. Okay, you're going to do this one all by yourself. Count carefully. Start with your dollars and then move to your cents. Don't take all the little coins. Start with the biggest coin first. We want the fewest coins with the exact amount. Okay? Good job. Number 2, after dinner, Dad cut slices of watermelon. Mark the fraction that shows how much of each slice was eaten. Not how much is left. How much was eaten. So we're looking at the blank space today. It was 1/4 or 1/3. They already did that one for you. It is 1/3. Let's look at the next one. How much has been eaten? 1/2 or 2/2? 2/2 actually is a whole. That means both pieces would be colored in. What would be our answer? Let's see. What is it, Calvin? That's right. It's going to be 1/2. So color in 1/2. You'll do the last 2 yourself. Number 3. Mom and Dad help the girls make s'mores. Circle 1/3 of the s'mores. Okay, now we need to count first of all and see how many we have all together. Okay, and then you want to circle 1/3. 1/3 means that there's going to be 3 in each group, or 3 groups. Which one does it mean? It means there's going to be 3 groups, but how many are going to be in each group? That's right. So 1/3. You're going to count these. Circle 1/3 of that. Okay. On the bottom, what was the temperature when the girls got into their sleeping bags? Count the temperature carefully. It is a between number, so count carefully. And on the bottom, what time did the girls go to sleep? You need to count carefully around the clock. It's actually pointing to the 11, not in between the 11 and 12. And then I want you, what? Somebody said, okay, you want help on this one? I'll help you. Okay, so look real close at the clock. Okay, do you see where the hour hand? It's pointing to the 9, and the minute hand is on the 11. Now, we have to stop and think. Has it got to 9 o'clock yet? Yes or no? Say it again. No, because if it goes all the way to the 12th, then it would be 9 o'clock. So is our hour 9? It is not. What is our hour? Boys, you tell me that. Our hour is, that's correct, it's 8. So our hour is 8. Okay, girls, you tell me the minutes. We're going to start with the 1, count by 5s all the way around. And the answer is, girls, take a minute, count those times. Count that time for me. Are you ready? Yeah, I heard that. We got another math whiz, Bob. Don't worry, they're thinking. It is 55. So our time is 8:55. You did great. Now, is that AM or PM? She's going to bed. It says, what time did the girls go to sleep? Is that AM? AM means morning. PM means night. So you should color in the PM. Good job. Okay, let's go back to this some words. Somebody was looking at those kind of with a, like, I don't know what to do, Mrs. Kraft look, okay? Let's count the s'mores first, okay, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need to divide into 3 groups. Can we count by 3s? Let's try it. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. Huh. How many are going to be in each group? We're going to put 3 s'mores in each group. See, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. There's 3. So we circled one part of the 3 groups. Okay? You're going to finish the rest on your own. Okay, flip over to the back because this is the part we're going to do together. I'm going to take it out so I can see. Okay, dokie. I lost my lid. There it is. It rolled away, but I found it. Okay, we are going to do some borrowing. This borrowing is a little tricky. I want you to stop and think and work carefully with me. Don't race ahead. If you race ahead, you're not a math whiz. Once we get practice, then you can because you'll get it. But it's been a while since we've done this. So I want you to go step by step with me. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Oh, something in my eye. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 700 minus 368. Okay, can I do 0 minus 8? No, I can't. So I'm going to knock next door. Oh, wait a minute. Nobody's home. Can I borrow from 0 again? I can't. Well, this does not show up very well. Let's go back to black again. Maybe blue will show up better. Let's try blue and see how that goes, okay? So nobody's home. Nobody's home. Does that show up better? Yeah, it does, okay? 7, Mr. 7, may I borrow one of yours? Yes, you may. So I'm going to cross off the 7. I'm going to make it a 6. Now, thinking cap on, I borrowed 10. I'm going to go next door. So let's see. Caleb, what's 10 plus 0? Yeah, it's 10. Now, wait a minute. I need to have something to bring all the way over here to this 0. So Caleb, what am I going to do? I'm going to cross off the 10, take 1 away from him. So Caleb, 10 minus 1 is 9. Oh my goodness, look at how big this is getting to be. So don't write ginormous, okay? And I'm going to add 10 over here. So 10 plus 0 is 10. Let's find some subtracting up. Kendall, what's 10 minus 8? 10 minus 8. Good job. 2. Quinn, what's 9 minus 6? 9 minus 6 is 3. Good job. And 6 minus 3, Calvin, is, yeah, it is 3 again. So your answer should be 332. Did you get that? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, here we go. Nobody's home. Can I borrow? I can't borrow, so I'm going to go next door. Knock next door. Nobody's home. Nobody's home. Finally, Mr. 6 is home. So do you have 4 slashes going across? Not X's. That gets too much on our paper. So just a slash, a slash, a slash, and a slash. Okay, let's go to Ella. Ella, I'm going to borrow from number 6. What's it going to become? It's going to become a 5. Okay, get ready. We're going to do lots of subtracting and crossing out. Ella, 5 plus 0 is 10. Cross off the 10 because I'm going to borrow from him. And Brady, what's the 10 going to become? It's going to become a 9. Not 10 plus 0, Brady, is 10. I'm going to cross out again because I need some clear over here. I have to keep borrowing from my neighbors. That's right. Adeline, what is 10 minus 1? That's right, it is 9 again. So 10 plus 0 is 10. Now I can do my subtracting. Now I have somebody home at all my places. Hunter, what is 10 minus 2? Oh, you just gave that. Kind of. Okay, yeah, 10 minus 2 is 8. That was just the backwards, the twin of that. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2, Calvin, is 7. Okay. 9 minus 2 again, Layla, 7. And 5 minus 3, Ella, is 2. Good job. Don't forget your comma. 2,778. Last one. Are you ready? If we're going too fast, hit that pause button. Catch up. Okay. Can I do 0 minus 3? I can't. Benjamin, help me. Anybody home, Ben? Nope. Anybody home? Nope. Anybody home? Nope. Oh, somebody's home. Ben. 4 is going to become a 3. Took 10 away. Okay. 10 plus 0, Ben, is 10. Cross out the 10. I need to borrow again. I'm going to take 1 away. It's going to become a 9. Just going to erase this problem here so we don't run into too tight. Okay. So now I'm going to carry 10 the next door. 10 plus 0 is 10. Cross it out. Take 1 away. Kendall, what do I have? I have 9. And I'm going to add 10 more. 10 plus 0 is 10. Okay. Are we ready to do subtracting? Brady, what is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is 7. Kendall, what's 9 minus 9? 0. Oh, that looks like a 6. Mrs. Pratt. Kellen would be upset with me if I made a 6 that looked like a 0, right, Kellen? Kellen, are you making zeros look like zeros and sixes look like sixes? Okay, here we go. Kellen, what is 9 minus 6? Answer is 3. And Lucas, what is 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2, Lucas. It is 1. Good job. 1,307. Was that hard? We're going to be doing a lot of that. So remember, if nobody's home, you've got to keep knocking until somebody's home. And once you borrow, you have to keep crossing out until you can give some more to your neighbor. We're very generous. This is a time when we need to be generous with our neighbors. Maybe you can run to the grocery store for your neighbor because maybe they're too old and they're afraid to go to the grocery store or they can't drive. So make sure that you're a helper to all your friends around you. Okay, are you ready to write some numbers? Mrs. Kraft needs to get my papers. Hopefully that's here. Okay, are you ready? On letter A, I want you to write the number 16,807. 16,807. You should have 5 numbers. Okay, don't forget your comma. 16,807. We'll do them all and then we'll check them. Okay. Letter B. Hit the pause if I'm going too fast. 32,459. 32,459. 5 numbers again. 32,459. Okay, letter C. This is dollars. Don't forget the dollar sign and a decimal point. $17.02. $17.02. $17.02. And letter D. It's money again, dollar sign and decimal point. $980.16. $980.16. $980.16. Are you ready to check your answers? If you're not, hit the pause button, finish those numbers, rewind, go back if you need to hear them again, and then you can come back and check the answers. Okay, are you ready for letter A? Who got it right? 16,807. Remember, we didn't hear anybody in the tens place, so we put a 0 when nobody's home. He's my placeholder. He has to hold that place for me. 16,000, 807. Did you get it right? Bob's rooting for you. Okay, next one, letter B. Are you ready? 32,000, 459. 32,459. Did you get that? I hope so. Letter C. $17.02. There was nobody in the tens. I had to put a 0 to hold my place. Don't forget your dollar sign and your decimal point. $17.02. I heard cheering. Somebody got that right. And the last one. We all wish we had this much money. $980.16. $980.16. Did you get that right? Good job. Okay, we're going to work with our clock. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here's our clock. Let's set it to our time. Okay. Your clock should look like this one on the page, okay? Now, what time is that? Can somebody tell me what time it is? Ben, can you tell me what time it is? The hour hand is this one. Okay, so you have to decide, has it got to 4 yet or not? Okay, and he says it hasn't. He said the answer is, I'm hearing so many good answers out there. Who said it was 3:50? Did somebody say that? I heard somebody say that. Ben, was that you who said that? So in the space, write 3:50. You know what? Mrs. Kraft doesn't have a space to write that. I guess I could erase this. Let's write it back here. Okay, so it's 3:50. Don't forget how to write time. Okay, now we are going 1 hour earlier. So how many minutes are in an hour? We just practiced that earlier today. How many minutes are in an hour? That's right, 60. So we're going to count backwards 60. You count with me, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. What time is it? Don't say 3:50 because we just had 3:50. What is it? It is 2:50. Correct. 2:50. Goes on the other. Oh, Mrs. Kraft. This marker lid. 2:50. Now, a little trick. When we're talking just about the hours and it says 1 hour earlier, we could have subtracted. We could have subtracted 3 minus 1 equals 2. We could have done that. But when we're on minutes, it's a little trickier. So let's go to the next one, okay? Now, Mrs. Kraft, get my clock set. You have your clock already there. Yeah, okay. Okay. What time is it this time? Abel, Glenn, can somebody tell me what the time is? Layla, Kendall, Caleb, Roman, Hunter? Somebody shout it out. That's right. It's 9:15. Good job. That was an easy one. Okay, so 9:15. Write that on the line. Okay. Now, we want to go 15 minutes later. Ooh, that means 15 minutes is going to pass by. Any guesses on what our answer is going to be? I heard somebody say it. Let's count it out and see if they're right, okay? Somebody said 9:30. Let's check and see. You ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15. They were right. You were right on. Good job. 9:30 is correct. So we're going to put 9:30 over on this side. Nice job, boys and girls. You haven't forgotten about your clocks. I am proud of you. Okay, let's see how you are in your math. Are you ready? Okay, let's go kind of fast with this because I know you're getting tired. You are getting really tired, so let's get going. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. What is 1 times 5? Girls, that's right. Write 5 on that line. 5 is correct. Let's go. We're going horizontal across, okay? What is 20 divided by 5? 5 times something that equals 20. Boys, can you give me an answer? If I go too fast, hit the pause. Remember? Yeah, okay. 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Good job. Okay, next one. Let's go back to the girls. 8 times 2 or 2 times 8? Same thing. That's right. Hold up 8 fingers, count by 2s, or just double the number. What's 8 plus 8? You know that. That's correct. Bob heard it too. 16 is the correct answer. 16. We got that first row all done. Great. Here we go. Second row, boys. What's 6 times 5? 5 times 6. Hold up 6 fingers, count by 5s. Think of the clock. We just talked about that on the clock. That's right. I heard it. 30 is the correct answer. Nice job. Okay, girls. 100 divided by 10. 100 divided by 10. 10 times something that equals 100. Bob says you better get this one right. And the answer is 10. Great. Great job. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. And the last one. Oh, did I just show you the answer? Everybody knows the answer. What's 0 times 9? Any number times 0 equals 0. Good job. Okay, we have some Speedy Sams. Let's see if we can get this Speedy Sams. Let's see the first one. Okay, what is 16 minus 2 minus 9? 16 minus 2, got that answer in your head? Minus 9. Oh, there's that 9. We can do that 9 trick. 16 minus 2 minus 9 is, see if you get the answer I get. Okay. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. The answer is 5. Correct. Good job. 16 minus 2 is 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, here's the next one. Put that in my pile. Okay, 18 minus 8. That's easy. 18 minus 8 plus 6. 18 minus 8 plus 6. Hit the pause if you need to wait. Okay. Are you ready? And the answer is, it's super simple. 16. 18 minus 8 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay, last one. Here we go. This one's easy. All adding. Ready? 2 plus 4 plus 8. 2 plus 4 plus 8. Are you ready? I have the answer. Do you have the answer? Oops, my finger is in the way. 14 is correct. Woo! You are great. Okay, last thing on the bottom. Okay, we're going to make a number sentence. Got to use our minds to clue in about our coins. So you do that. Pluses, minuses. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, let's speed through this. You have got this. It says Lee has 1 dime. Uh-oh, how much is 1 dime worth? Write down how much 1 dime is worth. Do you have 10 written down? Okay, 10. And 1 nickel. How much is a nickel? Somebody told me earlier what a nickel was worth. That's right. It's worth 5. Good job. And 1 penny in his pocket. How much money does he have in all? So he has a 10, a 5, and a 1. Am I adding or subtracting? When I want to know how much money does he have, how many cents, I'm going to put a plus sign. Can you tell me how much money he has? Cents is already written at the end. We're going to put an equal sign, and we're going to write this answer. If you got this right, you are awesome. You are a math whiz. 16 is correct. Okay, here's the next one. Think careful on this. It has a plus and a minus in it. Okay, here we go. Dawn has 2 $5 bills. How much is 2? How much is 2 $5 bills worth? Got it in your brain? Okay, write it down. 2 $5 bills. Did you get this number? 10 is correct. And 4 $1 bills. Oh, that's easy. 4 $1 bills. Okay. He spent $12. How much does he have left? He spent $12. How much does he have left? Now, that means I'm going to have to do 2 different steps here. I need to add 10 plus 4, but then I'm going to subtract the 12 because he spent it. It's gone. So do that problem. 10 plus 4 minus 12 equals 10 plus 4 minus 12 equals, did you get it? Easy answer. All right, did you get it? And the answer is 2. He had $2 left. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 12 equals 2. Nice job today, boys and girls. I hope you've had a great day, and I hope this has been kind of fun. It's kind of different. I'd love for you to come back to school so we can come up to the board and you all take the turns instead of Mrs. Kraft taking the turns. Bob says, be a math whiz all the time. Do your best job. Listen and obey mom and dad, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.